Welcome to the class. In today's class, I am going to solve some more examples to find the remainder. Last class, what we did, we have solved the examples on exponents. Yes, exponentiation, how the exponential problems are solved using them, how to find the least positive remainder. In today's class also, we are going to find the remainder only, but the given examples are different. They are not exponents. In the last class also you have seen how to divide the given number, how to find the remainder using the given divisor. As the single number you are going to solve. Now in this class you will be given with the more than one numbers and they are all divided by common number. Then what will be the remainder? Yes. So let us see the example 1. Find the remainder when 135 into 74 into 48 is divided by 7. Understood? What I said? Instead of single number 135 divide 7, find the remainder when 135 is divided by 7. Instead of that, they have given three numbers. 74 also is divided by 7, 48 also divided by 7. All problems together they are given 135 into 74 into 48 is divided by 7. Whenever this number is divided by 7, what will be the remainder? They asked you to find. So before solving this is of the form, suppose A1 is congruent to B1 mod M. Means what? When A1 is divided by M, remainder is B1. A2 is congruent to B2 mod M. Means what? Another number A2 is divided by same remainder M, same divisor M, then the remainder will be B2. A3 is congruent to B3 mod M. So our M is same here. Yes, all A1, A2, A3 are divided by M only. They have the remainders B1, B2, B3. When I multiply all these numbers A1, A2, A3, because divisor is common, yes, is congruent to, we have a common divisor mod M only, yes. Then what happens to the remainders? B1 into B2 into B3. Whenever you product these three, then automatically you must multiply their remainders B1, B2, B3. Same concept, same logic you are going to apply, solve this. Understood? So you have to divide each number separately, express them in this form as modular form. Then you will get reminders, multiply LHS, multiply this reminders. Simply you will get the answer. Let us start. Solution. So what is given? 135 into 74 into 48. Yes, it is divided by 7. This is the question. Now, we'll consider first 135. 135, when you divide it by 7, yes, what happens? 7 into 1, 7. So, you will be left with 65. Then 7 into 9, 63. So, remainder is. So, how will you express this? So, you will be express this as 135 is congruent to 2 mod 7. Yes, we call this as equation 1. Now, similarly, take next 70. 74 is divided by 7. Yes, 7 ones are, so 4 will be 0. So then 74 is congruent to 4 mod 7. Yes? Call this as equation 2. Lastly, 7 divides 48. So 7 6 are 48. Sorry, 7 6 are 42. The remainder will be 6. So it will be written as 48 is congruent to 6 mod 7. Call this as equation 3. Now, as I said, so what you can write all together equation 1 into 2 into 3. What it gives us? It gives us 135 into 74 into 48. Yes, we want this only. Is equal to what? Is equal to, we are multiplying 1, 2, 3 equations. Right? So we have to write all the terms. Then 2 into 4 into 6 mod 7. Yes, mod 7 is common. That's why 2 into 4 into 6. This is congruent to this. So, therefore, 135 into 74 into 48 is congruent to what? 2 into 4 into 6. So, it is a 48 mod 7. Already you know 48 mod 7 is what? 48 mod 7 is congruent to 6 mod 7. So, I want what? They asked you to find the remainder. So, this will be your remainder. Therefore, the remainder is 6. Remainder is 6. That is what? When 135 into 7 into 48 is divided by 7, remainder what we'll get? We'll get it as 6. This is how we solve the examples like this. Let us try one more example. Okay. Second one. Find the remainder. Find the remainder obtained when, go on calculating with me. Try with me. 64 into 65 into 66 is divided by 67. Yes. So solution. Now in the last classes already I have discussed how to solve this divisibility examples. Yes. You are given with 64 into 65 into 66 divided by 67. Yes. Now whenever 64 is divided by 67, 64 is already, it is less than 67. Yes. How much it is less than 67? It is less than, we need 3 more. Yes. When you add 3 to this, we get 67. Yes. So you can write 64 as what? We can write 64 as minus 3 mod 67. Why I am writing minus 3 mod 67? Because whenever 64 is divided by 67, so it is, since it is a smaller than 67, remainder is either 64 or minus 3. Yes. Whenever 64 mod 67 means whenever it is divided by 67, remainder is either 64 or you can take minus 3. So as I mentioned in the last class, we prefer to take small numbers. So that's why I am taking minus 3 here. So call this as equation 1. Next number is 65. Again 65 mod 67 is what? Less than 67 only. So you will get either 65 or 65, 67 ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we need 2 more numbers. So it is minus 2. It is congruent to minus 2 mod 67. Yes, call this as equation 1. And 66, same, 66 mod 67 Again 67 is less than 67. Remainder is either 66 or it is 1 less than 67. So minus 1. So 67 is congruent to minus 1 mod 67. Call this as equation 3. So it is yes. Now, as in the previous section, what we need to do? Just multiply equations 1 and 2 and 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3 gives you 64 into 65 into 66 is congruent to minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 1 mod 67. Yes, this is nothing. It's congruent. Minus 3 into 2 minus 6 plus 6 into minus 1 minus 6 mod 7. Sorry, 67 mod 67. But I hope you have you remember we don't want this negative remainder in the, at the last. So we need to convert this into positive term. To convert this into positive term, what you need to do? In the last class, I have mentioned to convert this negative to positive, we need to add these two. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೂಡಿಸಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಕೂಡಿಸೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು -6 plus 67 ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 61. ಸೊ 64 into 65 into 67 is congruent to 61 mod 67. Then what they have asked? They asked you to find remainder. So therefore, what is the remainder now? Remainder is 61. Isn't it? I hope you people have understood this. In this, all numbers are less than your divisor. Yes? Okay. Let us try one more. Find the remainder. Yes. When the same question. Find the remainder when 349 into 74 into 36 is divided by 3. Now go on calculating with me only. First, what do you need to do? First, as we did before, go on dividing each value separately. So, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ 3 divided by 349. 3 1 into 1 3. Yes, then 4 3 1 3 1 9 6 18 6. Yes. So how will you write this? 349 is congruent to 1 mod 3. Is all this as equation 1. Next is we need to divide 74 by 3. So calculate fatapat. What happens now? Whenever, so 3 divides 74. ಏನಾಯ್ತು 3 into 2 6. It's 1 14. 3 4s are 12. 2 remainders. All of you got this? Then 74 is congruent to 2 mod 3. Call this as equation 2. Then lastly 3 divide 36. 3 into 1 3. Then 6. 3 into 2 6. So this remainder is 0 now. Okay. How will you express? 36 is congruent to 0 mod 3. Call this as equation 3. Okay, what is the last thing you need to do? We need to multiply equation 1, 2 and 3. So it is 349 into 74 into 36 is congruent to, what are the reminders now? Reminders are, first one is 1 into 2, but lastly we have got it as 0 mod 3. So is congruent to 0 mod 3. Then what is the remainder? The remainder of this example is 0. Remainder is 0. This is how to calculate the remainder of such given examples. Try this one. What is the remainder when? Try this and comment your answer in the comment box. 175 into 113 into 53 is divided by 11. Yes. Try this, you will get perfect. Practice these examples. In the next class, I am going to solve another type of examples again to find the remainder only. Remainder in the sense we need to find in the next class, I am going to discuss the examples. What will be the unit digit of the given number to find unit digit given number. Yes. Next class to find, don't miss next class. In next we'll find the unit digit or last digit. Yes, you will be asked to find the unit digit or last digit of given number. Yes, don't miss those class. Till then, practice these examples. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box. For this example, comment the answer in the comment box. If you not yet subscribed my channel, do subscribe. You'll get further notification of my next videos. Till then, take care. Thank you.